Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Greek chicken salad. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have about 2 cups of cooked chicken ready. You can use leftover rotisserie chicken or quickly poach some chicken breasts. Next, prepare your vegetables by washing and chopping them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This ensures every forkful is perfectly balanced. Having everything prepped makes the assembly process quick and enjoyable. Now, let's add the fresh components. In a large bowl, combine your chopped cucumber, have cherry tomatoes, and thinly sliced red onion. These provide a wonderful crunch and freshness. Next, incorporate about 2 tablespoons each of fresh dill and parsley, which are essential for that classic Greek flavor profile. Don't forget to add about 1/4 cup of Kalamata olives for their distinct briny kick. For the creamy dressing, whisk together about 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a small clove of minced garlic. Season this mixture with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of dried oregano to enhance the Mediterranean flavors. Once your dressing is smooth and well combined, pour it over the chicken and vegetable mixture. Gently toss everything until all ingredients are evenly coated. To finish, crumble about 1/4 cup of creamy feta cheese over the top of your salad. This adds a wonderful salty and tangy element that truly completes the Greek experience. For an extra touch of freshness and visual appeal, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh dill or parsley. Serve immediately or chill for about 30 minutes for the flavors to meld beautifully. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.